Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make high-quality AE like text glow in mobile, just by using only two softwares. One is Alight Motion and the other is NODEVIDEO. Link of these applications are in description. Here is how it looks.
Is Archer again.
It's got it!
It's huge! It's gone! It's out of the park! CAPCUT's gonna push for two, they've got to go! It's got through, it's got to go to the keeper's end! He's got it! England have won the World Cup by the barest of margins! By the barest of all margins! Absolute ecstasy for England!
Now let's deep dive into the video without wasting your precious time. Let me clear one thing first. You can use CAPCUT too if you don't have Alight Motion in case. So open Alight Motion or CAPCUT, whichever you want. I'm using Alight Motion here. Now create the text according to the beats or your need. I have already done this step. So I suggest you to first mark the beats and then write your text accordingly. Then export it in 1080p 60 FPS. Alright, let's jump to the next step. Now open NODEVIDEO. Click New, then click on Plus, then Media, and then click on Video. Now choose your video that you just exported before. Now click on Plus, then click on Asset Store, then select Glow. This part is very important, so don't skip this part. Now copy my settings or take a screenshot. Now set your resolution to 1080p and FPS 60. Then set quality to very high. Now export your video. Now open Alight Motion for those who are using Alight Motion and open CAPCUT for CAPCUT users. Then add the video exported from NODEVIDEO. Go to Blending and Opacity. Select Lighten, Screen. Now reduce the opacity to 85% to 90%. Depends upon your choice. Now select all the text layers and make them in a group. Then select Shadow and make it to 8.
Now make this layer a whole new group.
And then go to Shadow. This time make it 16. Now
make this layer a whole new group.
Again repeat and make it 32 and opacity 75%. The final result is on your screen.
Is Archer again.
It's got it!
It's huge! It's gone! It's out of the park! CAPCUT's gonna push for two, they've got to go! It's got through, it's got to go to the keeper's end! He's got it! England have won the World Cup by the barest of margins! By the barest of all margins! Absolute ecstasy for England!
One bonus tip. Use colorful text so that the text looks better. Now it depends upon your creativity how you make your text. I just reveal the glow secret to you that no one will give you. So, that was all in today's video. If you feel that this video was even a little helpful, then please give a like to the video and definitely share it with your editor friends who need it. And don't forget to comment and tell us on which topic you want the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.